Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Hyundai Sonata. First, park on level ground and engage the parking brake. Work with the engine warm but not hot. Collect 5W20 oil, an oil filter, wrench, drain pan, and gloves. Lift the front with ramps or a jack and secure with stands. Wear gloves and eye protection and keep a rag handy for spills and quick cleanup. After lifting and securing the car, remove the oil fill cap to aid flow. Place your drain pan under the oil pan, then carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Let oil drain completely. Replace the drain plug using a new crush washer if available and tighten to the specified torque. Swap the oil filter using an oil filter wrench, lubricate the new gasket lightly with fresh oil, and hand tighten. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future how-to guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find it a great companion when budgeting for car maintenance or planning repairs. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick up a copy if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Carefully add the manufacturer recommended amount of 5W20 oil through the filler neck, pouring slowly and checking the dipstick to reach the proper level. Start the engine for about 30 seconds to circulate oil, then shut off and recheck the dipstick and inspect under the car for leaks around the drain plug and filter. Clean any spills, reset the oil change sticker, and take used oil and filter to a recycling center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.